Going on? What's going on, guys? You guys hear me? Music's all on. All right, we about to get right on into it. All right, so what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna tear my face cam off just because this lighting is fucking. God damn. Yeah, it's real dark outside, so my computer's real big. So I'm gonna keep it off. I'll probably put it back on when it gets a little bit brighter. But for now, just so I don't blind you guys, I'm gonna leave it just like that. But all right, we about to get right on into it. As you can see right now, if you pay attention to down here, what's happening? Prices coming down, and it cleared all these lows. It cleared the previous day's low, and it cleared this swing low right here. But it cleared this low, so there's a potential chance that price is looking to have a full reversal today and continue moving even higher, or price is having a retracement to potentially continue down lower. But we about to find out. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna mark up the previous day's low, which is right here. Previous day's low is getting pushed through as we speak. Then we have the previous day's high. Alright, now what are we gonna do? For one, let's see, I think this was a continuation move. We're gonna pull our fib from this high to this low before we had this retracement, and it looks like price came right into this continuation level. So there's a chance that since this came to the continuation level, one thing that I tell people is when price retraces, what's good, boy? Good morning, good morning. But one thing that price does when it rejects this 38.20% level, it tends to not be a long-term move. That's just something I've personally noticed. So say if this came pulled back a little bit higher, price probably would have continued even stronger. But since it's a continuation level, it doesn't tend to be as strong. So sometimes I see after price will reject the continuation level, 38.20%, it will have a pullback to the deeper levels to then come lower. But we'll see. We're gonna see. Let's just see how everything plays out. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the 12 a.m. open and the Asian session. This is wrong. Right here. It's right here. That's the Asian session. The indicator's messed up right now. I don't know what it's doing. Alright, get these. Turn this orange. Now we're gonna get the 12 a.m. open, which is right here. Now let's look at what's happening. We have the high of the day that came right above here. The high of the day was made at what time? This was London session. This was London session made the high of the day, but this up here, the Asian session high is still intact, so that's something potentially we could be looking to target. Next thing, we're gonna pull our fib from this high to this low. We're gonna use our fib. We're gonna see how price respects these levels because there is a chance that price could be coming for a continuation to continue going lower. So that's something that we could potentially be looking at. We're gonna want to check higher time frames also, and let me check if there's any. Let me see. We got this rejection right here of this order block. We're gonna see how it reacts. It could potentially use it to keep on coming lower, and if it does, I'll potentially miss his move. But this would look like a nice continuation right here, not gonna lie. So we're gonna see how price reacts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in on the lower time frames, and I'm gonna scout this area for a potential signal that it's gonna sell lower, because I already know we came for the previous day's low, but there is a chance we could have a reversal. But if I'm keeping in mind what happened yesterday, just go to the daily and weekly. On the daily, everything does look like it does have a chance to go higher. It could have made the down wick already, so it is like in a rock and a hard place, honestly. A little harder of a decision because price really is bullish right now. We'll see. If price doesn't reject, I'm on your city. If price, because I'm looking at it on the weekly too, it's in this area rejecting. We got to look at where we are in price too. So let's do that. We're gonna go back to the 15-minute time frame. Let's mark up our big figure levels so we can get an idea where price is moving in between. So we got 14,200. We got right here. Where is it? Damn. 14,000. 13,800. These are the levels priced in between, and then we'll put 14. Oh, 4,500. Yeah. But these are the main ones that we're going to be trading within. So I'll leave them that color. But let's just watch how price overall moves in between these levels. Let's see if it starts rejecting to the upside on 14,000, because if it does, there'll be a chance that price could show willingness to come a little bit higher. And if it comes a little bit higher, we can anticipate a potential if there's a retracement, we can possibly get to this 1 hour order block that we also have. So let me mark that up real quick. Oh, that's wrong one. You come right over here to the 1 hour. We have this 1 hour order block right over here that we could be potentially looking to get in, and it comes right above the 12 a.m. open. We'll see. But right now, price does show good willingness to come lower. So we're gonna hop on the lower time frames right now. We're gonna see if there's a willingness to come lower. So we're getting this shift down. One thing I could potentially do, I could potentially start waiting for just a I'm gonna have to see. I gotta see what price does. If price can drop significantly lower than have a retracement to say back up here, I could look to enter right here. But for all that, I'm gonna just wait for now. What's going on? What's going on?
Hey, what's up, man? Good morning. Happy Friday.
Always. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see if price is about to go short right now, or if it's gonna try to stick bullish after clearing these lows. I'm gonna just have to pull it and just see how price starts to react. Because we already cleared the previous day's low, but if you go to like the daily and stuff on NAS, hold on. If you go to like the daily, price is like everything's bearish, but it is respecting these levels. So it could either go up or it could be getting ready to go down. Yesterday was a bearish day, and usually Fridays make the lows of the week and highs of the week. So I might honestly be looking for the short. So that's why I'm over here. I'm looking for a potential signs on a lower time frame to see if I can get a sign. Could be retraced 62% from the high during London session to this low. We already cleared these lows, the previous day's highs and everything. So now I'm just waiting for a potential sign to see if price wants to come lower, and I can try to capitalize on this move to the downside and probably try to get out at 13,800 depending on the stop loss, or maybe even 13,700, 13,600, 13,500. These would be like all areas, so like big figure levels. And also if I look over, I could just see if there's any lows, but let me see. Then we got these lows all the way down here. So those are just areas I would potentially look to target long term if they come lower. But everything I'm looking at is in between here, so I'm gonna go to the lower time frame, and now I'm just waiting for signs of a drop. So I'm not even 9 o'clock yet, so I'm gonna still wait. But I'm gonna just see what happens. The price could start to consolidate. We could stay above 14,000. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get what you're saying, Andre.
But then there's a chance that since we cleared these lows, we could be looking for a reversal. So probably I'm gonna see how price reacts when it gets to these levels. So if I'm in a trade by the time it gets here, I might at least try to be break even about when it gets here. Just so you know what I mean.
Yeah. Right? I think price, I don't know, man. Like, we'll see what happens. But price looking bearish.
Yeah, everything looks bearish, so we'll see. One thing I've noticed is just from doing daily ranges and journaling and stuff, a lot of the time Friday will make the low or the high of the week. Like Monday tends to make a higher low of the week, and then Friday, and you can see that it's kind of happening right now. If we go to say the 1 hour from this week, look, this week Wednesday made the high of the week. Monday, look, we made the low of the week. So price is either gonna fly and make the high of the week, or it's gonna come down and make the low of the week. So we'll see. It's pretty bearish though. Just looking at it like this, price has been significantly bearish. Yeah, I'm bearish for sure. Fuck the buys, man. Sticking with the sells. How wide would my stop be? Damn. It's a pretty big range. Do we tap into 1450? Yeah, right there. Tap into 1450. Mid-figure level. That would have been a good entry. I'm gonna see if we can get a possible retracement.
That'd be good. Right close to see what happens during the 30 minutes to about an hour before. I mean after. Well, I get what you're saying, bro. We're just gonna wait for see if we get a better entry.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if price could, yeah, I'm gonna see if it can come up potentially. Maybe there's a fair value gap right in here on the lower time frame, so we clear this low.
Okay.
I'm really on the low time frame right now. I only got 5 minutes, so we'll see. I got 5 minutes to wait for a trade, but there's a chance that since it came to clear this low, could come back up to get a retrace, fill in this fair value gap. Because mind you, this is the order. Look at this. This is where's the order block? I got too many black lines. Where is it? Right here. I'm gonna make it. This one I'm on the lower time frame. I'm gonna make that shit orange just so I can tell. But see, this is the order block right up here. So that's what I'm saying. If we get a little retracement potentially, it'll keep that downtrend. We got this market, but I need to see it making like clearance on lows, show market shift or something on the lower time frame at least before I try to enter. We're gonna see though. And if it does come up here, my first trade, my stop loss will have to be about 55 pips, which isn't ideal. But about 50 pips, 55 pips. We're gonna see. We're retracing. I don't know if I should wait. And we'll be above. We're not above the 12 a.m. open though either.
Not yet.
I don't know. I think price has a chance to keep coming a little bit higher, honestly.
At least test the Asian session low one more time, right?
Maybe. It depends. Because it already looked like came damn near close. Came damn near close with it right there. Look.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I'll make it a little. So I don't know, but looking at it like this, just with nothing on it, this could still be a nice continuation because this was a bullish ass candle. I think that was just news though. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let me check 4-hour time frame. We're just rejecting after clearing them lows. 4 hours about to close in a minute 42 at 9. That means it's gonna close like this. Damn, it's like I want to be short, but damn, the way it's closing, that's diff. I don't know. Part of me wants to be short all the way, but it's like, damn, these, I don't know. Because this is about to close too. That's why. It's about to close like this. 4-hour time frame. Damn, this is a rock and a hard place. I want to be short, but at the same time, it's like.
It might be that we'll just wait until your confidence and setup kind of like, as soon as you see that candle print, the one that you need to see to give you that confidence.
That's the thing. I can see both. This is like I can see both setups. It could either be a continuation or it could either be starting to make a reversal. It's still below, so we would be wanting to buy on a bullish day ideally. But up here, we made this high of the day at 2 in the morning, so there's a chance that this stays the high of the day and continues even lower. We cleared the previous day's low. We had this false break, so it's already essentially showing that there's a willingness to go the opposite direction. It got sell side liquidity. Now where's the buy side? All buy side liquidity is gonna be all
Right now,
this.
would probably the 70% to 79% would be the OTE between the 62 and the 70, and it already tapped into it once.
Yeah, but just look at how this candle's about to close.
Yeah, gotta be patient. I think just a little bit until it gets into like the. Because you're right, you gotta if you're wanting to get in for a buy for a long, these are the areas you want to kind of. But what gives you that confirmation to get into a buy? What are those confirmations?
Our bullish engulfing after having a false break, making the low of the day during the New York session. I think I'm go for. I think it's gonna have to. I think it's going for a high. If this is a good move, this might potentially break this high and make the new high of the day. If with this momentum, because like I said, Fridays tend to make the highs and lows of the week, but once they made the high already, usually what Monday does, or Monday made the low of the week, like you said, and Friday's gonna make the high, or Wednesday made the high. But either way, I'm looking at it like this now. Oh, look at where price retraced into. This is the 14,000 level right here. This is the 14,000 level. Price retraced into this order block. These two down candles is the order block. Came right down into it. Came right, oh, it was close to this 38.20%. So what I might wait for, I might wait for a retracement back down to here. Even refine it to this order block just like that, so I can refine it more. And if I get the 50% of this full order block here, it's probably going to be right in the middle there also. So right in this general area is where I'm going to be potentially looking to go long. And if I look where this is in price, it's like a 13,950 mid-figure level. So just like this, respecting the mid-figure level here, we could come down to this small one, just right here, like this area just right here. How I was stop loss, man. Damn.
Yeah, it's closer to the previous day low than it is to the previous day high, though.
That's what I'm saying, but it could have just had that false break scenario because it's having multiple characteristics of two setups. So it's like you either got to pick and choose. And after having this engulfing on the hour, closing on the 4 hour, this rejecting, closing, holding above 14,000, clearing multiple days lows. Ooh, I don't know. It's looking a little bit bullish. Hey, I think I'm gonna flip bullish. Fuck the sells. If I could take the L, I take the L. 100 pips is kind of crazy though for this stop loss. I'm gonna have to lower my risk in half, literally, like half my lot size.
Gotta account for that risk, pips risk. You gotta adjust the lots.
Yeah, that's all. Up here will be around
That's that thing,
1 to
bro.
2.
Like, experience, man. Like, I've been clapped, dude, because I took a 100-point move but didn't change the lot size, and then took a double loss because,
Damn,
oh,
boy.
getting nauseous just thinking about the old days. That was just last week. No, I was kidding.
Yeah, I think there's a good chance we can get bullish. So I'm gonna wait till we get lower time frame coming to this area down here. I'm gonna be looking for signs of rejection on the lower time frame.
Yeah, I see that order block.
So then we'll see, because we cleared multiple days. So if we have this retracement to push even higher, it's gonna be nice. But at the same time, it could have this potential drop scenario. Let's check US 30. What's US 30 looking like? Yeah,
I'll be right back.
it looks very similar. US 30 just kept this uptrend though. I'd aim to target the Asia high. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 14,200 was 14,200 is looking like a good area to target. Zone of resistance, that's 3 confirmations so far. Yeah, the confirmations are there. It's just more or less, I don't know which one to take, which bias, because both could, it's like in a rock and a hard place. But yeah, I know the confirmations there. It's just more or less which position should I take the risk on. That's more the problem. Engulfing candle at the zone can act as influence. Yeah, we'll see. Right now, I'm just waiting. Everything looks bullish, so I might just take the chance on this reversal setup. Right now, we're just being patient. Let's hop on a lower time frame, see what it's doing. I'm waiting for it to come a little bit lower. We also got this fair value gap right here. Right on the 15-minute, if you look at the candle right here, got that gap. Look to fill that. Yeah, we're gonna see. There's a 1-minute breaker inside the 15-minute for value gap. It looks like we're gonna keep pushing right now. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to buy anywhere above. I'm only gonna wait down here to get the buy. And if it don't happen, then I'll potentially look for a short scenario, but we'll see. Have you ever traded UK 100? No, I haven't traded that. 13,960-ish. Yeah, right in here. That's what I'm saying. This is a good area because I'm aiming for 13,950. That's the ideal area I would look to go long at. But we'll see. Right now, everything's looking pretty bullish. Still got some time till the open, but I'm just being patient. If I don't see a trade, I'm not going to take one. Yeah, it's bullish right now. 14,000 probably might be a good area to potentially get into. It's a big figure level and it is rejecting this order block. We're going to see. If it did come down though, I would at least have to have my 50 pip stop loss at least down here. But at the same time, it's like I know if it comes down here, cause I'm not trying to have a 100 pip stop loss. That's kind of crazy. 130. God damn. We gonna see. What would 50 pips be from here? I don't know. I feel like 50 is not big enough. It'll be at 13,900. That's what my stop loss would be. But I don't know if I feel comfortable putting it there. On the hour time frame. Let's see. Right now we're just ranging.
What's up, Andre?
What's going on?
Just had to get ready, man. Shave and do the hair. Get ready for the day.
Nah, I feel you.
I figured I was like, Andre's always telling me to be patient and meditate or do something. I'm like, you know what? I ate a little something this morning, slice of toast, bread, and then I was like, well, in the meantime, right now, I'm just gonna shave shit.
Nah, I feel you. Still productive.
Price hasn't really done anything.
No, not yet. I'm waiting for it to have this fucking retracement. Yeah, I'm just waiting and waiting.
Bada bing, bada boom.
This would be the great move right here that I would be looking for. If this happens, that will be a nice trade. I'm just looking at it on the hour time frame. What I'm visualizing is I just want to see price make this down wick on the hour. Right, make the down wick come
Okay.
to right here, then continue going higher after 9:30. That's what I want to see. Then we got an extra 30 minutes to keep on pushing. We'll see where price gets to. But if it just goes without me, well, I miss it. That's what it is. This 14,000 could just hold up and it just rejects from here. Because it is rejecting the hour order block, the high of it anyway, with this wick. So it could just.
Is it a breaker block?
Nah, it's an order block.
Okay.
Yeah, because it could reject this to keep on going easily. So I'm ready for that. It could just fly from here. But my best entry would be if I wait. I could just get in now, but I'd have to just make my stop loss about 100 pips, so I'm gonna have to man my risk. My stop loss is gonna have to be my what you call lot size is gonna have to be smaller too. So if I can get down here, I can risk a little bit less. So my stop loss would be a little what you call it shorter, and my lot size would be larger. So I could potentially catch you more from the move. But we'll see. We'll see.
It's holding, honestly, consolidating.
Come on, my boy. Retrace. I'm just waiting for it to come basically into the fair value gap right here and just reject. That's what I want to see happen. Just want to see come in there, reject, and fly.
Patience. He hunting right now. Friday news.
Pretty sure there was some at 8:30.
We got stuff at 8:30. Unemployment, employment.
It already happened.
Oh shit! This is Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So 9:30. We don't get no news till 10. So. We'll see.
We're gonna see. I want to see it reject this. Now make a wick. I don't want to see it start to close below 14,000. I want to see a wick. I want to catch a wick. If we can catch a wick, that would be good. But if it starts to close below 14,000, that might not be so good. Because it still looks like it's setting up for a short scenario. Potentially.
And you're more have a long bias because of it's under the 12 a.m. open?
Nah, just because of the way it's forming.
On the higher time frames, you said, right? 4 hour?
Bullish engulfing after clearing all these lows. So, we'll see. Right now, it looks like it's starting to push again anyway. I want to see it potentially come down. Maybe it'll fake people out. Think it's going short, then come higher.
Maybe. Or these the OTE was where you started kind of drawing that fib to the end of that fib.
What food?
Oh, the time would have been around 6:15 my time, so 9:15. Or is that my time?
9:15 was 5 minutes ago.
7:15, 6:15, like an hour ago.
8:30.
Yeah, how it kind of like went and tested PDL, previous day low.
Here.
That could have been like the low of the day.
Yeah, it is. The New York session move. This is New York.
Oh, that is New York session. I see. Start of New York session.
Mm-hmm. This is 8 right here. It was like 15 minutes before New York session, but it's still pre-New York. Yeah, it's pushing right now. US 30. US 30's pushing. Nah, it's pushing. Yeah, I don't know. I might have to switch the buys to try to get at 14,000 just from the way time's coming. It's still at that hour order block. I just might have to widen the stop loss. So it's the same trade idea. It's just I might not be able to make as much from the trade, risk reward wise. We'll see. Let's see how it respects 1450.
We're not trying to make any unnecessary L's.
Mm-hmm.
All right, be patient.
Oh man. Yeah, I'm only taking probably one trade anyway on this shit. Once I get stopped, I'll know. If I get in here, I'll know it's probably gonna keep on going dropping after that anyway. Five more minutes until the open. Yeah, Price is looking bullish. It's probably gonna push without us, honestly. So one thing I could potentially look to do is if price starts staying real volatile around the 14,000 level, I might look to potentially get in with like 100 pip stop loss and just risk half of what I usually risk and just let it see what it does. It'll be wide enough stop loss to hold drawdown, but I'll probably be able to cut the loss short if needed. So we'll see what happens. 14,000 is right there. So we'll see.
Yeah, it's looking on the daily. That's already printed a shooting star, or a 4-hour. Jeez. If it holds this for the next 33 minutes, these highs, it has high probability of just moving up higher to test the Asian session high, the previous day high around there. Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for my retracement. I don't think it's gonna hold this level right here. I think we're gonna get a retracement. This is either setting up for a really good sell opportunity, or it's either gonna have a retracement to get a buy opportunity. One of these, but it's a lot of confirmations for a sell. I would have to wait for the buy. How many pips would this be? 120? Why is this? 50 points? 54. That could be a 1 to 2 right there. Hold on, let me think. What if I went for a scalp? From here to here, anticipating that it was gonna go up, but I just get out with that initial move down. I'm gonna see how this candle closes. Let's see how it closes. If it stays below 1450, I think it'll be a good sell move. And that could be a 1 to 2 right there. And then I just get out there, leave maybe a runner. If it goes lower, it goes lower. But then I'll potentially look for this. Because 50 pips still, that's not that bad. So if it does keep going lower, that's still a good trade. I see the confirmations here. Asian session low. Fib short from the London high of the day. Like I see both confirmations. Alright, it didn't close like that. Alright. No short then. Never mind. I liked how that one closed, but we'll see how this one closes. Still got a minute 25.
Yeah, it's looking bullish. But it might be the end of that. Took off, so there's FOMO. This FOMO, people are trying to get in on that move right there. And then, but there's people on the opposite saying, "Oh, it's going into these areas, short it." It's still 1 minute before the market open. Woo! Good one. Took off, so it would be FOMO if we try to catch it here.
Alright, it's open. Let's see what happens. You're gonna start to reject here and go lower. We're just gonna fly high. It's probably just gonna fly. Yeah, it's just probably gonna fly higher. Ideal entry probably would have been at 14,000.
So the time to have gotten in was about an hour before the market opened.
No, about like 30 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes. Around there. Not at right at 9. You could have got into it. We could have gotten it 30 minutes ago.
Well, we could still wait for retracement.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna sit here waiting for a retracement. It's probably just gonna keep on going. It doesn't look like it's gonna have a retracement.
Yeah.
If this starts to reject here, let me see lower time frame. Ooh. This looks like it could begin a short scenario at this point here. Came right to the 12 a.m. We get a break of structure. Can it possibly anticipate a move to the downside? Depending how this is, because if this whole thing comes, it depends how they close. Because the way this is looking like a sell setup at this point. It is pushing, but the way this is, it's just too nice right here. Too clean. I don't know if it wants to keep this trend. I don't know, but just I don't think it's going to come down here at this time to keep on pushing higher after that. It would have been different if it came down earlier. USA is about having a golfing. Same thing over here. I'm going to switch to the sell buys. I'm not going to. It would have been different if the buys would have held up earlier, but the way it's looking now is looking like a similar situation.
And you're getting in at the 62% retracement.
No, I didn't even get in yet. I'll potentially look for a retracement on. Let me go to 1 minute. Yeah, because momentum here is different.
Still hold.
Yeah, I think 1450. How big the stop loss? 60. I'll do 60 pips. That's cool. I don't care. I'll give it a little bit wider. That's fine, my man. But I'm always for the retracement. Yeah.
That's a bearish engulfing. If it closes like on a 15-minute, shit. That might have been the high right there.
Yeah, I don't know. I want to go short, but if we don't get that opportunity, could just keep falling. A lot of momentum right now. Yeah, this didn't look like a clean setup, but it was just picking which side to pick. I don't think it's gonna get a retracement right now. If it does, shit. We're testing the bullish order block though. Yeah, it's dropping.
Time frame. 800 levels right there. 750s right there.
It's rejecting this order block now.
Oh.
This is in this range at this point. Either one could happen at this point, man.
Jake.
Came filled in that imbalance I was talking about. So it could either go bullish or go bearish at this point, man. It's just either or. Whichever one you want to take a setup on at this point.
Well, it's in the middle of a range though, bro. Like this isn't like there's. Yeah, I just wait for a retracement. If you're looking for a buy,
I don't even know. If I look for a buy, it would be now.
You don't know,
I would
Andre.
look for a retracement.
Go to the gym. Let's go. I'm leaving Andre. I don't want to be that person that like is that little devil on your right shoulder that's like buy sell. You know?
I'm cool. I'm chilling. I could care less what I do.
Okay.
I'm chilling right now.
I'm over here kind of. I feel honestly like this is just me talking out loud, but I feel like a little anxiety. I don't know why.
You shouldn't. You're not even trading your own money. Think about it.
Yeah, you're right. It's just what is that? Just an emotion, right? It's just
maybe you just got performance anxiety, but why do you have anxiety? There's no reason to. You just gotta tell yourself that. If there's no reason to, then you're chilling. You got nothing to lose. You should be just looking to get in. If anything, it's all an experience. You got nothing to lose. All you're gonna do is learn from it. Either one could happen right now. Both setups are looking iffy. If I was to get it now, I would only look for potential like 1 to 2 to potentially get out short here in case it happened. But if it did about 50 pips, I'm gonna take it just because it was my original trade idea. I'm gonna just stick to the original bias.
Hell yeah.
And even if I'm able to get out, over here, I'll be cool. Let me see. Retested it. 45 seconds. Retest the order block. I'm gonna see what this candle does first. in case it just doesn't start to come down. Because if it starts to come down a little bit lower than I think. All right, I got him. 50 pip stop loss. It's going. I got in at 960. What is it? 13,960 minus 50, so 910 is my stop loss. We'll see what happens. This is my original trade. If I lose, I lose. 1%. I won't let you take it. Because if it plays out, it's only going to be good. Sticking to the original bias. We good. Let's see what happens. I'm only going to take one, so whatever happens, happens. If I lose, I lose. We're leaving it at that. If I win, then I win. But I'm allowing it to come a little bit lower. If it starts to come below these lows, then it's going to be... Then I would just cut it short at that point. Alright, I'm going to see how it reacts. If it starts rejecting, I'm going to just cut it short. Alright, I'll just cut it short. Fuck it. Halfway. Alright, it is what it is. I'm going to just leave it at that. It's probably still going to go. I'm going to wait for the close on it. I got 10 seconds. I cut it in half, so it's cool. I didn't even take the full loss. Look at that. These false breaks be different. This on the 1 minute, so. What's the fib level? Let me put it back out. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna wait for a little retracement on this. It's gonna be the same thing. Risk about 50 pips. What would 50 pips stop loss be? Retracement of the it's rejecting, but 50 pips would be down here.
You're getting in for another
I want
buy?
to see how this closes first. I'm gonna give it 30 seconds to close. I want to see how this 1 minute candle closes. If it closes reject, then I'm not getting it yet. But if it closes after this being like bullish engulfing, then I'm gonna get in one last time. And if that fails, then I'm done for the day. That's my two shots. But I'm gonna see how it closes first. Cause if it closes like this, nah, I'm not getting it like that. Yeah, if it's go like this, I'm not getting it for the buy like that. Nah. But if it would have rejected, because it was being an engulfing at the time, that's why I said it. But this rejection, fuck no. I would have to wait for an engulfing. At least show the willingness to go higher after having this false break. But if not, then it's only going to sell from here because it came all the way up to 12 a.m. Yeah, it's probably just going to sell from here. Unless this all turns into a big ass wick and engulfers, it's just going to sell. That's a nice projection. If it rejects like that, closes above, what level is this? 930. Yeah. I'm just keeping on. We are on lower time frame, so these wicks could easily turn into wicks fast. But I need a closing candle to show willingness. What time is it? It's 9:45. Yeah, that's probably just gonna sell from here. Yeah, I don't like the way that 15-minute close. Never mind. Fuck that. If it does, it's only probably gonna be a retracement. If it does go long. Yeah, well, where's my original trade at? What was I looking to do? Where'd I go long at? 960. It was right here. Yeah, it was. I got stopped out by the false break. That's what it was. Right here. I just need a good closing candle, man. Not none of these bullshit candles. Just the way they're closing is ass. Filled in the fair value gap, rejecting it, still in this fib, but this down candle close I don't like. If it gets to the point where we start trading below this whole order block, then at that point, yeah, I'm chalking the whole thing. I'm just done. But if it stays in this fair value gap, there's still potential. Not the highest probability trade. That's already known.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just all depends on the closure of these candles. Because it could easily begin engulfing, have a little retracement to show willingness to go higher after having the false break. But it's either going to keep on dropping and just no retracement, or it's going to have that push. But I don't think that push is going to be the long-term move. It'll just push, more than likely to just keep going lower.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, with the
It's
way
not
it is,
looking good, bro.
fuck that.
Jerome Powell, you know, he's 0% interest rates a little longer.
Yeah, it closed below. I'm cool off of that.
Yeah.
Where did I take that trade? I look to get in there. It was there. Journal this. So yeah, I just took one trade. Get rid of all that. Well, you was 30 though. Yeah, same thing. Just kept this downtrend.
Yeah, they're gonna probably at this point go target its next big figure level, bro. I know they fucking, it takes all day, but they'll travel towards that next 800 or 750. Take that liquidity right under those lows on the left.
I'm just looking at how it's losing momentum. That's the main thing I'm looking at. Look at that. What was it? Fib long? What was it? Yeah, it's gonna go bullish. It's like every time I get stopped out, it just gets after. What? Order block rejection. Previously false break. I knew it wanted to have this move. Let me see, put the stuff back on. See how it's looking. It did not hold this fair value gap whatsoever. Let me see how. Okay, this is the close I was talking about right here. A 5-minute close similar to this. That's a nice close. Should I take this last opportunity? If it holds this order block. Nah, is it this one? Yeah, right here. 50 pips. Or should I cut and then just cut the risk in half? So I'm only risking half of that. Decisions, decisions. 13,800 on US 30. Alright. I cut my risk in half. If I lose this, it's 0.5%. It is what it is. And if I win, well, I make the loss back. So where did I get in? 911. Oh, that's not a good stop loss. Let me see. 11. 860. It's all about having your arrows, you know what I mean? If you have the risk there, that's why I have rules, you know what I mean? I have a certain amount of risk daily for a reason. I wouldn't have it.
My stop's still like 10 points above my entry. I went in short at 14.
I'm at 1-1. Yes, sir.
I took some partials.
I'm at 1-1 already. Goddamn. Keep on flying. Let's get this.
Hey, that's a good move.
Yeah, that's why I like the smaller move. Good retracement, but I want to see it break this high first. Before I really think it's gonna go anywhere. We'll see. I think it's good based off the. I told you I just wanted to wait for a good higher time frame close. Like this 5-minute close bullish. That's why. We'll see what happens though.
Alright, I moved my stop loss to my sell entry at 13,990. TP's at 13,775.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see if I can.
You're trying to catch that retracement move, huh?
Yeah, that's ideally where I would get out at. At least majority out.
Take the bag. Yeah. That's a good move, though. Honestly, you timed it pretty good, man. It does need to go fill in that order block up there. So I think your risk to reward's good. What is that? 1 to 2, 2.5?
Yeah, it'll be like 1 to 2,
3,
around there, something like that. Yeah, it's 1 to 3, but on the broker it's a little bit different. It'll probably be like a 1 to 2.
Okay.
1 to 2.5 almost.
Did you move your SL?
Nah, not yet. It's still trading like right below 1 to 1, so I'm not gonna move it yet.
Good.
I want to see at least get past this high first. We'll see. Till we can get above these highs, it could still go against me. Cause I did get in early. We didn't get a market structure shift yet, so I am timing it a little bit early. But if I do time it good, I should be on the right side. Just gotta wait. Could have a pullback, but excuse me. If it goes against me, it's cool. I think it still has good willingness. We're just on lower time frame, so if I wait possibly on the 5-minute, look at it here. See how this closes in a minute 15. If we can still close pretty bullishly or close in engulfing, that would be a good sign. But the more we reject and start closing, the less likely it'll pull through. But we'll see. Let's see if we're truly bullish or we're gonna stay bearish. Oh yeah, that was fast. Coming all the way down. Let's see, is it gonna hold this order block or is it gonna go through? Nah, never mind. Fuck that. Yeah, I don't like the way that looks at all. I would need a crazy close, but if we close 30 seconds this bearish, this trade's a done. I'm gonna just cut it wherever it is if we close rejecting. Not even gonna risk that. I already know how this looks like. Let's see how it closes in 20 seconds. Alright, if we keep rejecting like this with the close, then we're good, but it's a little disappointing. We'll see. 10 seconds. If we can close bullish, we're still good. But if we close any more bearish, I don't like that sign. Alright, we did form rejecting. So let's see. This down candle over here is either going to become another wick, or it's just going to come all the way even lower. So I'm glad I used a wider stop loss. So my stop's probably is even wider than this. Is right here. It's 50 points. So even if it breaks this low, then again I'm cutting the trade short. Whew. What's you doing, Nash? You know where you want to go. What's US30 doing? US30's rejecting too. What time is it? It's going in at 10 o'clock. Let's see. Oh, we got 900 level too. Hopefully it holds that level. It's coming low. I don't know. If it breaks that low, I'm gonna anticipate closing it early. Yeah, I don't like the way that just closed. Bad closures. Bad closures. I need either engulfing candles or rejecting, but the way these are, it's looking like a bad Joan, man. Bad Joni. Yeah. Golf maybe. At this point, it's just playing around. I'm just watching like, what the fuck? It's doing all the above at this point.
Yeah, Nas is there. I think it's still gonna be bearish, bro, and it's not gonna go reach for the previous day highs. Honestly, I think it's gonna make new. Like, I think it's planning on taking out these lows here, and I'm gonna go try to target something a little lower.
I think it's about to fly. That's what
I
think.
Oh, you think so?
I think
Yeah, it's
so.
in that. It's still in that.
It depends how
order
it
block.
closes. Closes a
Yeah.
little bit bullish. I don't know. The momentum I'm seeing in the last couple seconds, I think it's just gonna fly. Sticking with my bias.
You're
keep moving and
scalping
shit.
today in that minute, huh?
It's not even scalping. It's still the 15-minute move.
Order block.
Nah, it's still the 15-minute move. It's just I'm on a lower time frame watching it.
Last down candle before the move up.
There we go.
Yeah, you're right within that order block.
Just gotta. It's just the 15 is rejecting. It's just more or less waiting for this momentum. Like I said, until we get above this high, easily go against me. So.
Hey, there it is. People getting in on it.
Yeah, it's not the momentum I want to see. I need to see big candles flying. Big flying candles. Not these little candles. Yeah, it's rejecting that 900 level. Rejecting this order block. Still holding the 79 on the fib. Holding this low. It's just, I don't know. Maybe just momentum. Volume's not here right now, but it's just off and on. This is very tough. Very tough. At this point, either just stop me out or go into profit, man. I'd rather know early than just sitting here. Yeah, it's just ranging at this point, man.
How many trades have you placed today?
I'm on my second one.
Oh, you're on your second one. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be a day trade, bro. It's not gonna happen in like, I don't even think the move's gonna happen in an hour. I think it's gonna be like by the lunchtime, by New York lunchtime.
No, I think it could happen in a good like 4 or 5 minute candles with good volume. I think it could happen. Cause mind you, this is alarm. Mind you, if you come here 15 minute, there's still so much upside. Like we're just like in this. Like this would just be moving up here. You know what I'm saying? Like we're so
Yeah.
this small and it's small move. There's just not a lot of momentum volume right now. That's the main thing. I'm waiting for that volume to kick in. Once that volume kicks in, this could happen very fast. But it's just a matter of
If that volume kicks in.
yeah, if it kicks in. I'm just anticipating that it will kick in. But if
So
it don't, well,
it's a good
it is
plan.
what it is.
Good plan. Good plan. There's people watching, bro. Fucking sharks.
This shit is fucking. This is moving like US 30, man. What is this? Moving like US 30 at this point. Like it's just consolidating so bad on the 5 minute. It's horrible. Like it's holding this 900 level to like hell. Like Jesus. Oh, there we go. Hey, that was closure. Hey, it looks like that's what it is. Down it goes. Go ahead. Go to the stop loss. At this point, just hit the stop loss and just stop ranging at this point, man. Just at least show me where it's going. Oh my god, please stop. Just either stop me out or go. Like damn, it's just being so indecisive.
Drop it. Drop it.
Listen, it could do whatever it wants at this point, but I just need a decision. I'm tired of just waiting here.
I got TP at 13,700, so did I expect a big move like that today? No, but I'll probably take some off the table at TP2, TP3. If it has that volume right now, it's still at that previous day low.
Shit it. Yeah, I don't know. Part of me just wants to cut it short and just not even be in this trade at this point. It's going against me and consolidating. This is being shitty. Yeah, part of me just, I don't know. I'm gonna see how it starts to form in a second. This candle here, but it's not looking like it's gonna be a W. Yeah. Just go into profit or take the L, man. Whichever one. Hit stop loss, go profit, do something. I just need a decision. I'm tired of just sitting here. Yeah, it's like nothing. No momentum, man. This is crazy. That's Friday for you. Yeah, US 30's coming lower too. Bro, all these wicks, man. All these like dojis. Let's go. It's not that big of a like difference here. It's like 10 pips. The consolidation is real. Consolidation is real. What is this? Jesus. If we could hold above, man, I'm still holding the trade.
Shit.
Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
dude. It may go back. Oh, there you go. Back to entry.
Yeah. We're still downtrend though. So we can close above 900. Yeah, that would be good. That would be a good closure. We'll see. Close above 900. Oh, yeah, that's a good closure right there. Hey, I told you. It's just because choppy as hell, man. The fuck is this? Still holding my bias. It looks like they just got people fucking faked out. Crazy. But we got buy sell side. Where's buy side? This is buy side. So let's see if we can reach for it, man. Fucking longest trade ever.
Is that emotion, bro? Is that time?
I'm cool. I'm chilling. This is being annoying. I'd rather be out than in. It's just being annoying.
It wasn't clear and concise.
Yeah, it's not moving with the velocity I would like. How's the 5 minute gonna close? I want to close bullish. Jesus, it's just closing bearish and more bearish and more bearish, and it's just like stop me out or going to profit, bro. Jesus Christ. It's horrible.
1 to 1, at least.
That's what I'm saying. At least let me break even so I don't gotta worry about it. Like, shit, man. I'm about to fucking punch the computer. Just fly, man. That's all I ask. Just do something. Fly up, fly down. Just stop flying sideways. Because I know as soon as I exit this trade, it's gonna go either direction. That's why I'm just trying to stick it in. Just wait. Come on, go to clear the highs.
Sell it.
Shit taking forever.
It's holding that fucking previous, yeah, on a higher time frame. It's still looking like it holding this whole level.
Yeah, whatever happens, happens, man. I'm just waiting for it. I'm just waiting for a decision. Oh shit! There we go. Do something, man. It's engulfing everywhere. This range is fucking wild.
It's raging. That's looking bearish.
We'll see. There's 900 levels. Fucking Jesus for a price right now. There we go. Do something. Oh, what the hell, boy?
Hey, what is that emotion? For what? It just happens. It's a part of the game. Why would I even do that?
Come on.
My emotions be getting played, bro. I don't like that.
You just gotta learn. It's just nothing to be emotional about. This is just up and down, my boy. Just do something, my guy. Like, this 5 minute is just wild. This is wild right now. 52 seconds. If this one closes bearish too, I might just cut it at this point, man. It's like showing the willingness, but it's not at the same time. Doesn't want to push higher. Doesn't want to go break any lower. It's like stuck in between the 50-point range of 950 and 900. And my stop loss, my entry just happens to be right in the middle of those two levels also. So that's very tough. Very tough.
Rock in a hard place, man.
Nah, it's a rock and a rock. It's in between two rocks.
That's that Patrick Star shit right there.
Nah, real shit. Nah, fuck that. Patrick Star couldn't even do with this shit. This is...
He's all the Forex world champion.
At least go past 950. Like, god damn it. I just want to punch it on the mic.
Yeah.
I hit 1-to-1 and it was never the same after that. It's never the same. There we go. Shit, finally. Jesus. Clear the high. This. Alright, we're at 1-1. I'm breaking even. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. And ass, you could suck my dick. Can't lose now. There we go. Patience is key. There we go. Jesus Christ. Took it long enough.
Okay.
Now we hold and hope it doesn't come back and break us even. At least it's like go to 14,000. It's right there. Don't go back into consolidation, please. Please.
10 o'clock news.
Nah, there's no news.
Oh, there was news that just came out on Fox that President Biden's being held in the White House captive.
Yeah. Make the market go up. Make the market go up.
Yeah.
Fuck that guy. Fuck that guy. That's why it's going up. Fuck bull.
Fuck.
Go to what? Go
Run
to
it up,
14,000, man.
Back in
14,000.
there.
Jeez, yeah. Fuck
Run
Biden,
it
man.
up.
Keep him captive, man. Make the market go up. Fuck him.
I'm about to get stopped out. My entry's at 13,990.
You're not get stopped out.
Well, I went in short.
Oh, rest in peace, man. You shouldn't have went against the fucking. You should have known. Should have known.
I'm not gonna get FOMO either. I have 0.5%. I took 0.5% off, so yeah, it's right there. Yo.
Whatever happens, I'm break even. So shit, I'm straight. My stress is gone.
Yeah.
That shit was stressful as fuck, my boy. It's stressful as
Yeah.
fuck. Come
Like
on.
for
At least get the
30
14,000. At 14,000, I would take my majority of it off and just leave it at that. But at least get the 14,000. Like shit. Like the struggle is real. So if it comes back under 1-1, I'm gonna be I'm a blasphemy. Blasphemy. Almost at 1-1 again. God damn it. I had the same bias all morning. Just go. Just go.
it's at the if you could go to like a 15-minute and do that expansion for that little move down and do a Fibonacci, it tapped the 38%. Oh no, the bigger expansion.
This? Wait. What?
From 930 to 10. That whole downward expansion.
Oh, this?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Oh
It
man,
kind of got to
maybe.
the 38.
Damn. Fuck. Just hold above 950, please.
But you're break even, so it's like a risk. Just keep it up. Keep it
Yeah,
up. It's gonna go up.
I'm cool. Whatever happens, happens. I'm just playing. I'm
It's
trying to
gonna
make
go
that
up,
loss
bro.
back. Even if it goes up, it's just if it retraces all the way to 62%, it's clips. That's my entry. It's over. It's over. Part of me knew I should just took it out at 1-1, just because of how shitty it's been. Hey, whatever happens, happens.
Do you ever leave your? Is it always at entry, or do you leave it like 1 or 2 points up so that you can at least pay for the commission? The commission.
Yeah, I always put like a point up. It's still basically break even though. It's like barely a win.
Makes sense.
It's like fucking $13. Like, alright. Great dub. Great dub. Yeah, it's probably gonna, I don't know, man. 5 minute wants to be bullish. 1 minute retracing. 15 minute. Oh man. 15 minutes just closed. At least fly.
Oh.
Please.
Oh, there it goes, it's gonna fly. As soon as it
Go to
makes those breaks, those
14,000.
highs,
14,000. Because it could just be
10,000.
retracing. Please. Please. Oh my god.
It's all good, man. We're protected. We using our good risk money management.
I'm at 1-1. I might just pull the plug. Might just pull the plug. Come on, because it could just have this false break. Unless it, come on, push this high. This high. Yeah. That's what I like to see. Come on, 14,000.
14,000. There you go.
Not yet. I'm gonna wait. I wanted to hit it. Cause I need them full pips. No cap. I need them all. I don't care if it's 3. I need that shit.
Andre.
What's up? $40,000.
Hey, there you go, 14,000, man.
Nah, I ain't hit that shit yet. I'm waiting still.
Oh wow, okay.
Nah,
Took
not
me-
yet.
yeah, let's talk about-
Not yet. We almost there. I'm holding 2. I hit that shit. I need to go right through it. Then I'll take something off. But until then, this shit could eat 30. Yeah, 14,000. Oh, nope, didn't hit it yet. Not yet, motherfucker. Not yet. You ain't about to
Yeah.
get me out early. I'm cheap.
Oop.
I want it all.
There it is.
There we go. Is it gonna keep pushing? Should I take it off? Let's see how this candle reacts. Alright, it's closed pretty bullish. Is it gonna keep
Yeah,
going,
it's-
or is it gonna close above?
What is? These are on 15-minute candles. It's a bearish candle. I mean, a bullish candle. The next candle that pops up probably will need a retracement of some sort. So you're still pretty good with your entry.
Hold on, I
What
didn't
was
take
your
nothing
entry?
off yet. I'm waiting for this close to see how this is. Mm, yeah, I'm gonna take it off. Oh yeah, we flying now. Ooh, ooh, come on, come on, come on,
Oh,
come on. I'm trying to get to 2%. That's why. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Just a little bit more, 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 just a little bit more. Please, please. I'm trying to get to 2% to scale it off with a runner. That's why.
okay, makes sense.
Come on, right there, right there. Stop playing. 2% with the runner in there. Stop playing.
Nice,
There we go.
nice.
Cause I wanted to take it off at
Nice.
14, but I only would have made 1.5%. So I made back the loss plus 1%. There we go. Jesus Christ.
Okay, okay. Ooh,
Shit.
bro, good move, Gus. And then now your runner's gonna. Okay, okay.
Exactly. The
So
next game.
you're up this week, bro. Honestly,
Kinda. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm up now. No, wait.
now you're up.
7. Yeah, now I'm up.
Hell
Jesus,
yeah.
I had to do the
Or at
math.
least pretty
100,
fucking
121 pips. There we go. Shit.
nice.
Patience, man.
Nice.
Now we're at this other order block. Now let's wait to see what happens here. Round 4. Round 4. I be fighting with
Round
this shit.
4, brother.
Jesus. If anyone stayed for watching this, Jesus Christ, I need smoke after this. I'm about to just go to sleep. Jesus Christ. My everything is just killed.
That's gonna be a good move right there, Andre. You're a runner.
Oh yeah, of course. We be sniping this
It's
shit.
a momentum.
You know how we get down, man.
Dang. I caught a decent move today, man. It was just a one to one, but This might be the all-day trade here. Momentum upwards.
Shit. At least I knew the bias was right, man. That's all I wanted to say.
That was good patience, Andre. Waiting for that consolidation and then getting in more towards the end of it. Hell yeah.
Shit, 2 trades though. I only took 2 trades. I was just in that trade for fucking ever. Followed the rules, followed the plan, stick to the bias. Now, what I'm gonna do? Just fuck this shit. Fuck these charts, man. Fuck these shit.
I'm out of here, bro. I'm gonna go to the gym. I got shoulder day today, so that's my favorite day of the week.
Nah, that's what I like to hear. I'm probably gonna skip the gym today. I think it's gonna be my chill day.
Hell yeah, brother.
I
Get
need
it
a
in, man.
rest. It's been like 8 days straight. I'm trying to go for a new max, and I got my training. I got my trainer tomorrow, so I'm not trying to be killed. I need my energy.
All right, man. Well, I'm gonna let you go, Andre.
All right, bro. You be safe.
You too, man. Stay
Man,
safe.
that last time you go against my trades, you should have known. You should have
Yeah,
known.
bro. I should have fucking all out down out there at those
Shoulda
levels
known.
once you got in. Shit.
That,
All right, man. Take it easy.
But all right, bro. You be safe.
Take it easy.
But nah, guys, shit. Took us long enough, but we finally got the trade off. Jesus. We're up about up about 140 pips right now. That's what I like to see. Great little trade. That's great advice for anyone. Just stick to your bias. Like, as simple as that. Just stick to your bias. Stick to one plan, one trade idea. Alright, guys, yeah. Great trade, 143 pips. But if you were able to catch this, if you were able to enjoy this video, matter of fact, I'm gonna put the face cam on real quick. Yeah, the lighting is still kind of killed, but if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This was a nice little trade. This was a good example of just why to be patient. We were in that trade for who knows how long, but we waited the whole time, and look at how it played out. Longest trade ever, very stressful, but it paid off. We made back our first loss, plus 1% more, so we're up about 1% for the day. So appreciate you for watching. If